This looks like this is our month of meeting.
And shaking hands. Very well indeed.
I know that. How are you? Jomo.
Karibuni Nairobi. I think with the permission of it, we should just say good luck.
Normally, every year as Parliament, we normally organize a day for prayers to put our country in prayers. And we always know that a family that prays eats together and prays together lives together. So as a nation, when we also pray together, we live together. I know we are confronted with many issues, many challenges in the country, but I know when we continue praying, everything is going to be possible.
I am a Christian first. I am a politician and a deputy president after that. So you can challenge me about anything else, but you cannot challenge me about my Christianity. That one, I am unashamed, I am unapologetic, and I have no apologies to make. Yes. I think it needs to be as clear as that, so that we avoid these gray areas, so that people can understand who we are.
Well, I am really thanking you and to say thanks be to God that, well, yes, here we are, and them coming together and you being the member, having that sense of ownership and helping our people to have the sense of ownership and being able to say, really, yesterday was yesterday. Yesterday, things used to be done for us. That time is gone. Now we are the ones who are there. Mine is to encourage you. Even from on the other level, politically, help our people to have that sense of ownership. Because it's when there's a sense of ownership, then there is also that sense of protection of what has really been, what has been done.